All right, what's on the bench? Retevis has sent in another radio. This is their CB radio. This is an MB4. Now, I've never had a CB radio in my life, believe it or not. Never had a CB, never talked on the CB. This is a CB, so 40 channels, AM type of thing. It's also got FM, but that's fairly new. Anyway, we have a standard radio. It does have a nice form factor. So I think that's kind of maybe the offering. It's got a little heatsink on the back. These are only 5 watts, 4 watts probably. Connector, external speaker connector, regular cigarette lighter type of thing going on. The microphone has up arrow, down arrow, and talk, and it has the microphone there. So there you go. Microphone connector is 8 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins plus shield. Yeah, 6 pins plus shield. Let's see. It also comes with, and it's sturdy because that didn't do anything. It comes with a bracket for like under dash, wiggly around. It also comes with adapters so you can put it in dash. So it's got the slidey thing going in there and some tabs to hold it in. It's got knobs for the bracket and a clip here for your microphone if you want to attach a clip to hang your microphone someplace. Let's see here. Speaker in the front. Let's take a look a little bit here at what we got going on in the front. Let me change the camera here a bit. There we go. So we've got channel knob, we've got squelch knob, we've got volume knob. Mode, noise reduction, noise blanking, tone squelch, scan, memories, a lock button, and emergency. I don't know, maybe that goes to channel 9 or something. Menu. Yeah, I mean, not a lot going on. All right, let's take a look at the radio here. It does have a Roger beep. Resume factory default. Okay, so here's all the tones. This is all standard stuff. CTCSS and DCS code lists. Okay, fine. Let's see, where is their specifications? Let's see. Oh, no specifications in here. I mean, it's a CB radio, so it has to meet specifications already. Has the tones. It has microphone gain control, microphone type settings, so if you'd have either electric or dynamic. It has Vox, high cut filter, noise reduction, transmit noise reduction, timeout timer. Pretty standard stuff. So let's go ahead and hook one up and see if we can hear anything. All right, I've got it hooked up to a power supply and an antenna. We can turn it on. There we go. And gives us the channel number. We can change the channel numbers with this knob. This knob is volume. And this knob is squelch, okay? It's on AQ, which is automatic squelch. We can turn it on manual squelch. There we go. So, so you get the idea. Turn it off all the way. I'm not gonna play a lot of CB on channel because you never know what they're gonna say. I'll play a little clip here maybe of a conversation, but CB radios, there's not a lot going on, right? You've got mode, you've got AM and FM. It doesn't have sideband, but it does have AM, FM. 40 channels. Squelch, volume, yeah, it's got all the stuff. It's got noise reduction, so...
Hey, Showdown, ain't nothing like having a 10 station kind of...
So here, let me go to station that's not being used. There we go. So you can hear the level of noise there. I'll put on noise reduction, and it quiets it down. And then of course you would use squelch with AM. So it's got manual squelch and it's got automatic squelch. If you turn it all the way to the left, it goes into automatic squelch, which is the AQ. What else do you need to know? It's got a external speaker connector on the back, so we can do that. And get some more. There we go. So I've hooked up an external speaker here.
Yo, the boys and girls out here, what's up? And I'll try to adjust their radios.
Okay, so there you go. External speaker sounds great. The little speaker in here. I mean, it's nice that they have one, but I would suggest you hook up an external speaker. It's gonna be a lot nicer. But that would go into your front panel of your dashboard of your car, and it has the little thing there in case your other speaker's not working or you don't want to use it or whatever the thing. There you go. All right, I say that we put it on the normal stuff. We'll put it on a power meter. See how much power the thing outputs. Should be around 4 watts. And then we can put them on the spectrum analyzer and take a look at its spectral clarity. All right, I've got the radio next to my radio test set here. Let's see here. Let's make the camera look a little nicer. Okay, there we go. So we're going to do transmit test. I am on channel 11. I'm transmitting. It peaked up there. Oh, there we go. Let me talk into it because it's AM. Hey, whoa, I'm dropping the whole radio. Test, test, test. Look at that. Ooh, hello, hello. 14 watts. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Sorry, dropped the whole thing on the floor. Hello, hello. Yeah, not too bad. Let's try different channels, see if it matters. Channel 1, hello, channel 1, no. And channel 40, hello. Let's see, that is on AM modulation. FM modulation should be full power all the time. 3.5 watts, interesting. And channel 1, 3.5 watts. So on FM, it is doing 3.5 watts. And on AM, it peaks. There you go. Hello, audio. Isn't that what the one guy says? Anyway, yeah, there we go. Look pretty good. Let's see if we can receive something. Okay, so we want to 26965. All right, so 26.9. Oops, 0.965. Let's see. 26.965. There we go. Amplitude. Let's see here. Let me turn up the volume. Oh, there we go. Now we're hearing something. Let's see here. We've got AM and FM running. Let's turn that one's off. This is 3 kilohertz. There we go. Okay, we'll go to the amplitude. Let's turn it way down. That's minus 110. Let's put it in automatic squelch mode. Oh, it's still doing it at minus 110 dBm. There we go. Let's put this into volts. Let's see, where's the button for that? Microvolts. Microvolts. That one there. There we go. 0.7 microvolts. So I don't know if it's good or bad. Like I said, I'm not a CB radio guy. All right, there is our carrier. Hello, hoo, doo, doo, doo. So it's doing that. Let's get some span out. Let's look at some harmonics. Let's do a center frequency of, double, which 2754. Let's do 54, and then transmit there. And here's our carrier, and we're not seeing anything at the second. Let's see. Let's put it on FM mode. Then I don't have to whistle. And yeah, we're not seeing anything here. So very clean harmonically. All right, well, there you go. That's my review of the CB radio here. I think it's pretty much a CB radio. Not much else really going on. It is the Retevis MB4.